In today's world, fashion trends are constantly evolving, and keeping up with them can be an expensive task. However, with a little creativity and some DIY skills, you can upgrade your wardrobe without breaking the bank. Dye fashion hacks are a great way to add a personal touch to your style while saving some money. Not only are they budget-friendly, but they also allow you to create unique and one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your individuality. In this video, we will share some of the best DIY fashion hacks that you can try yourself. From turning an old t-shirt into a trendy crop top to giving your sneakers a new look with some paint, these hacks are simple yet effective. We will also provide tips on where to find affordable materials and tools and how to repurpose items you already own. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner, this post will offer fresh ideas and inspiration to help you elevate your fashion game without spending a fortune. So get ready to 1. Revitalize old pieces with dye. One of the most effective DIY fashion hacks for upgrading your wardrobe on a budget is revitalizing old pieces with dye. Dyeing clothes is a simple and affordable way to breathe new life into faded or outdated garments. Dye can be used to refresh old t-shirts, jeans, dresses, and even shoes. One of the greatest advantages of dyeing clothes is that it allows you to customize the color of your garments to match your unique style. Additionally, dyeing clothes is an eco-friendly alternative to buying new clothes, which contributes to the reduction of textile waste. With a little bit of creativity and some dye, you can transform your old, lackluster clothes into trendy, stylish pieces that are sure to turn heads. 2. Add flair with iron-ons. Iron-ons are an excellent, budget-friendly way to add flair to your clothing. They come in various designs, from simple patterns to more intricate designs, and can be easily applied to any fabric using a heat press or iron. By adding iron-ons to your clothes, you can transform a plain t-shirt into a unique statement piece. It is also an excellent way of revamping old clothes that may have lost their charm. When applying iron-ons, ensure that you follow the recommended temperature and time settings to prevent damage to the fabric. With iron-ons, you can let your creativity soar and create personalized designs that showcase your unique style. 3. Make custom patches from scratch. If you're looking for a way to add a personal touch to your clothes, making custom patches from scratch is a fun and affordable way to do it. Not only can you create designs that are unique to you, but you can also repurpose old clothes or a thrift store finds that may need a little sprucing up. To make custom patches, you'll need some basic supplies like fabric, thread, and a needle. You can either draw your design directly onto the fabric or print it out and trace it onto the fabric. From there, you can cut out your patch and add any additional details or embellishments. If you're looking for a way to breathe the new life into old jeans, transforming them into shorts is a simple and cost-effective solution. This DIY fashion hack requires minimal materials and can be completed in just a few easy steps, making it a great option for those on a budget. To start, select a pair of jeans that you no longer wear or that are too worn out to wear as full-length jeans. Next, use a pair of scissors to cut the legs of the jeans to your desired length. For a frayed edge, use tweezers to pull out some of the threads along the cut edge. With this simple transformation, you can give your wardrobe a fresh new look without breaking the bank. 5. Resize oversized garments with ease. If you have oversized garments lying around in your wardrobe, don't dismiss them just yet. With a few simple steps, you can transform these pieces into stylish and comfortable clothing that fits perfectly. One of the easiest DIY fashion hacks is to resize oversized garments with ease. All you need are basic sewing skills and a sewing machine to complete this task. First, try on the garment and mark where it needs to be taken in. Then, remove the excess fabric by cutting along the marked lines, leaving enough seam allowance for resewing. Next, sew the seams back together using a straight stitch or zigzag stitch for stretchy fabrics. With just a few adjustments, you can upgrade your wardrobe on a budget and create new outfits from old favorites. 6. Create a cheesy belt. Looking to upgrade your wardrobe on a budget? One easy way to do so is by creating a cheesy belt. With just a few materials and some basic sewing skills, you can transform an old or plain belt into a stylish accessory that can elevate any outfit. Start by choosing a belt that fits well and has a simple design. Then consider adding embellishments such as studs, rhinestones, or even beads to give it a unique look. You can also experiment with different fabrics and textures like leather or suede to add some dimension and interest. By creating your own belt, you not only save money, but also have the satisfaction of wearing something you made yourself. 7. Accessorize with statement jewelry. Accessorizing with statement jewelry is an affordable and easy way to enhance your wardrobe and elevate your look. Statement jewelry includes bold and eye-catching pieces such as chunky necklaces, oversized earrings, and stacked bracelets. These pieces can add personality and flair to any outfit, whether it's a simple t-shirt and jeans or a little black dress. The key is to choose pieces that complement your personal style and the occasion. A chunky necklace can add a touch of sophistication to a casual outfit, while a pair of oversized earrings can make a statement at a formal event. When shopping for statement jewelry, consider browsing thrift stores or online marketplaces for unique and affordable options. With a little creativity and the right pieces, accessorizing with statement jewelry can transform your wardrobe without breaking the bank. 8. Repurpose fabric scraps into accessories. If you're looking for a fun and budget-friendly way to upgrade your wardrobe, look no further than repurposing fabric scraps into accessories. This DIY fashion hack not only saves you money, but also helps reduce waste. You can transform small fabric scraps into unique and stylish accessories like hair ties, headbands, scarves, and even jewelry. Not only can you create customized accessories that match your outfit perfectly, but you'll also be doing your part to promote sustainability in the fashion industry. With just a few simple tools and some creativity, you can turn your fabric scraps into fashionable accessories that will breathe the new life into your wardrobe. In conclusion, as fashion trends continue to evolve, it's important to find ways to keep up without breaking the bank. The DI fashion hacks discussed